Hello friends, welcome to the Academia Universes. If you are serious about securing a rewarding IT career, you must know three crucial facts. The first one is college preparation is not sufficient to evolve into industry-ready candidate. The second one is in order to evolve into an industry-ready candidate, you must need something, what you need, and how to achieve it and all that. You have to understand practically. Theoretical explanation will not do. That's why here I am providing you a practical roadmap to become industry ready. The third and the most important is if you secure an international certification on Excel, Power BI, and all that international certifications are there. Once you secure international certification, your position will be standout. You will be in a position to unbeatable position. No doubt that. For that, it's not a great thing and all that. Through my system, I am providing you such module. And here, for this purpose, as I told you, I have to explain everything practically and all that. In order to do that, I am providing you Excel Mastery Starter Pack 50. 50 represents in these 50 concepts of 4 types I am providing to you. And for this everything I am going to provide you. I am providing you study notes, I am providing you programs, I am providing you video lectures and whatever you need. All that I am providing to you. The video lecture, the duration of the video lecture, 12 hours. Just for the sake of your career, you take up this challenge and finish it within a couple of weeks. Within 1 week also you can complete, but take your own time. Within 2 weeks, you complete this, just a matter of 12 hours. Then you test your fitness for IT job. If you are able to complete this and all that, you can take it as granted. 100% you are the right candidate to aspire a rewarding IT career. Rest of the thing leave it to me. And everything I am going to provide to you within a couple of months. If you are really serious, within a couple of months, you can complete the whole thing and you will be in a position to choose your job. The starter pack contains the rare blend of 4 core elements. They empower you to think smart, work smart, and grow smart. Now, I give a small briefing about these 4 elements. The first section, first concepts. For performing any job, first section is very core because, as you know, first impression is a lasting impression. Through the first section only, you get the first impression. In this, I am providing you 6 core first concepts, and those are rarely available. I am providing you the combination of the 6 concepts in one section. By performing these 6 concepts and corresponding programs, you can take it as granted. You are the right candidate to aspire a rewarding IT career. No doubt about the rest of the things I will take care of. Otherwise, you can take it as this is a fitness test. You are 100% fit for aspiring a IT career. The second one, meta skills. Meta skills means the skills or knowledge to acquire skills. Actually, if you know certain things and all that, those are the techniques to get skills. So you can understand meta skills as skills to acquire skills. Those skills and all that I am explaining in 1 or 2 sections. Third one, tools. Actually, if you want to become a technician, you must have a toolkit. Whatever task you perform, for all those tasks, the toolkit is useful. Now, Excel also provides you a toolkit by way of functions. A function means a function performs a simple subtask like calculating sum, calculating average, like this type of 500 plus functions, powerful functions are provided by the Excel. These are like a toolkit. As on the day 500 plus, time to time, Microsoft adds to this list. Fourth, the final one, tricks. Actually, we do many jobs routinely, we take a lot of time also. If you know certain tiny tricks or skills, they provide you mighty power. They have to understand practically. By reading books and all that, you don't get. You specifically focus on that. You take a routine job, and by using tricks, how you are able to finish it smartly, you can understand. All these things I am providing in the starter pack 50. Totally 50 elements I am providing, and you get more than 50 functions in this section. Now, discover the career sure path. In order to secure a rewarding IT career, the essential prerequisite is you must be evolved into industry ready candidate. In order to evolve into industry-ready candidates, you must have three capabilities. The first one is conceptual command. For example, a subject or Excel consists of 26 concepts like this A, B, C, D, like this and all 26 concepts. And a conceptual understanding is like a blueprint. Without a blueprint, you cannot make any construction. That point you have to understand. Don't ignore the concept. That is first one. Second one is like in college exams and all that. There are no important, no unimportant. Everything is equally important. Every concept is like a tool in the toolkit. In the toolkit, each and every tool is equally important. That point you have to understand. So don't ignore the concept. Understand every concept. That is not enough. Thereafter, you apply it. The program. Then only your knowledge is transformed into skills. That point you have to understand. Each and every concept, that too in a sequential order. Randomly, you should not study. Every concept is equally important and it is like a blueprint for your skills. Second one is matching communication skills. This is very, 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 very 100 very core because whatever knowledge you have, whatever skills you have, if you are not able to communicate it to others, nobody will recognize. It is like a tank full of water without a tap. That's why conceptual command communication skills are very important. Many of you think that if you are able to speak English, that is communication skills. That is not that. English is very essential, no doubt about that. But you have to communicate concept. That is a different thing. Once you own the concept, can only you can deliver. I am the owner of this. I can deliver it to somebody. If I am not the owner, I cannot deliver it. That's why what I think, you own the concept. Own the concept, then only you can communicate it to others fluently without any suspicion or doubt. Actually, in this, what can I do? What we provide? After watching every concept, first understand. Thereafter own it. Own. How to own it? Just after watching a concept, question yourself. Can I explain to others? Can I explain to others? Then, if you get confident that you can explain to others, then move to B. The same thing at B, then move to C. This is the procedure. Now we follow. Just after a 1 week, it will become routine. Thereafter, you will be in a position to explain every concept to anybody. Then only nobody will compete with you. Once you speak out, people will recognize your skills. Simply having the knowledge and skills in your brain, nobody will recognize. Okay, that's the second one. Matching communication skills. Third one, matching programming skills. Actually, here one example I have to give you. By that you can clearly understand this concept. If you know the recipe of a dish, or let us say biryani, then that is knowledge. Just you know the recipe of biryani, that's it. That is knowledge. If you are able to prepare biryani according to that recipe, that is skill. Here simple knowledge has no use, no benefit. And if you are able to apply it practically, then only your knowledge is transformed to skill. Once you command over these concepts, then you improve your communication skills. Thereafter, you apply in corresponding 1 or 2 programs and all that. Then your concept and knowledge is transformed into skills. That is very important and all that. These are 3 things. Always remember, you take this one, the starter pack, at the beginning of your career. Whatever degree you have, whatever knowledge you have, set aside. And you take it as a new beginning and start. And always you think of the 3 elements: conceptual command, communication skills, and matching programming skills. Finally, one thing I have to tell you, international certification. Actually, for not only Excel, for all the technologies, international certifications are there. For Excel, a Microsoft certification is there, the international certification. Once you complete this, once you study in this manner, securing a certification is not an issue. Once you get an Excel certification and all that, you will be in a position, unbeatable position. Nobody will beat you in the job market in spite of a job crisis even. And you will be in a position to choose your job. That point always you remember and proceed. And once you study in this manner, preparing for a international certification is not a big job. And I give you 100% assurance to get the international certification. For that, I am providing a special module. Just now, I explained the importance of securing programming skills. Without having programming skills, nobody will hire you. Nobody will pay to you. That's why secure programming skills. First conceptual command, by that you get knowledge. Thereafter, transform that knowledge into skills, programming skills. That is the right way, right algorithm. So, here I am showing you an innovative strategy to acquire programming skills and evolve into industry readiness. This is simply learn by doing approach. This is like learning car driving. Car driving you cannot learn in the classroom. Simply seeing somebody driving, you cannot get. How you can get driving skills? Simply sitting in the driving seat of a car and learn. Today, right now, you are zero, but within a couple of days, you learn all those things. What is the accelerator? What is clutch? What is brake? What is steering? What are the gears? What are the road signals? What are the do's? What are the don'ts? Everything practically you have to learn. Acquiring programming skills are just like that. So you have to understand. Here, see our strategy. Now, in this Excel tutorial, I am providing you 10 modules and totally 50 paid programs I am providing. Why pair of program? Actually, 1A program if I provide, 1B program I provide, this is for learning, this is for practice. 2A program for learning, 2B program for practice. In the same manner, totally 50 pairs of programs I am providing you. They cover everything. And just for curiosity or probing, just you see any other tutorial on Excel or any other language. Always they explain a command. Every trainer explains a command and show the result. Command and result. If they are doing what you get, here the important is what you are getting. That is core. That's why here everything practically you learn, every element. So by that also it's not complete. So by implement that you can own it. After, in order to judge any tutorial or teacher, question yourself what I got. He may be a great teacher, but only thing is if you don't get anything and all that, then what benefit you are getting out of his skills and all that. That point you have to understand.